In this video, I will show you how to send password reset instructions to staff users in Shopify. So first of all, make sure to be logged into your Shopify admin account and then click on Settings. Then select Users and Permissions. And for an example, let's send the password reset instructions to this staff member, which is John. On the profile page, you'll see an option to reset password, and there's a link to email instructions. So let's go ahead and click on it. And the email should be sent to the registered email address. Now, let me go ahead and just log into this email account. And here's the password reset instructions link. Let's open the email. And here's the link. Let's click on reset password. On this page, let's type john@ecommerce.ca. Continue with email. Now let's select forgot password. And then reset password. Once again, we're going to receive another link. Let's double check email. It's right here. And now let's click reset password one more time. And let's set a new password. Reset. And now let's try logging in with the new password. It should work. So the email was successfully changed and I was able to log into the Shopify store with the updated password. So this is it for this short video. I hope you found helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.